Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the Broombi Silicone Handheld Brush and Dustpan Set, a revolutionary cleaning tool designed to tackle all your cleaning needs with ease. Featuring patented quad blade technology, this unique silicone edge generates static electricity to attract hair and fine dust, ensuring every nook and cranny of your home is spotless. Its versatility is unmatched, effortlessly sweeping up broken glass, liquid spills, fine dust, and even gooey messes like ketchup and broken eggs. Perfect for a variety of surfaces, Broombi works wonders on rugs, smooth floors, countertops, tiles, and even shower walls, reaching wide areas and tight corners alike. Unlike ordinary brushes, Broombi is washable and easy to maintain, with smooth blades that keep your cleaning routine hygienic and bristle-free. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's lightweight yet incredibly durable, promising years of reliable use. So, if you're ready to elevate your cleaning game, the Broombi Silicone Handheld Brush and Dustpan Set is your ultimate solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.